I'm Dr. Harish Prasad. I'm an MD dermatologist and a dermatosurgeon practicing at Vitals Clinic, Bangalore. We have clinics at BTM second stage and Electronic City phase 1. Is your earlobe stretched or like it's broken and you're disappointed that you're not able to wear your earrings for your next party? Then this video is for you. It is easy, simple and pain-free technique what we follow at Vitals Clinic. Now, why do many patients have torn earlobe or stretched earlobe is because when you wear a very heavy earrings more than 2 grams, it can lead to stretching of your earlobe. Second is when you are wearing hangings and your child suddenly pulls it or it gets entangled from the hair, so it can lead to stretching earlobe. It can be because of the aging process as well. There will be definitely a family history that like you have stretched earlobes. The other most common thing is the piercing technique, what you have followed. If your piercing technique or the location is wrong, then also it can lead to stretched earlobe. Now, how do we restore it? It's a very simple technique where we give a local anesthesia just before ear lobule, so this part becomes numb. The area which has to be corrected is being marked. We remove the edges, like sharpening your pencil. We remove the edges. Once the edges are removed, the contour of the ear lobule is maintained and we put a cosmetic stitch so that like after the surgery, the ear lobule shape is maintained. And entire procedure will take hardly 10 to 15 minutes and it's absolutely pain-free and bleeding is also very minimal. At Vitals, we do this in a minor OT, which is like well equipped with all the equipments, with the finer instruments. So that's where we can give you better results. So what happens after the earlobe repair is we put a minor dressing. We give you an antibiotic for a week's time. There can be mild redness for 1 to 3 days. Then we remove the suture after 7 to 10 days. We can re-pierce the earring after 6 weeks. Are you suffering from earlobe tear? It's a simple fix at Vitals. It hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes and you can re-pierce after 6 weeks.